We all live now in a modern, fast, productive, constantly improving world. Everyone says, do more, work harder, make a progress, stay motivated. Hard work, self-development, constant improvement. So, what it actually all means. Motivation is a certain state of mind which you can easily trigger by sound or picture or a combination of both. You can motivate yourself by listening to aggressive music, watching videos or speeches, and all that you probably know. But what you might not know is your brain is not seeing a difference between talking about something and actually doing it. Therefore, when you're talking about exciting things like your future plan, makes you feel great. And a different way to enter this state of mind is to get some work done. The more difficult, the better you will feel after. I'm talking about that feeling after hard working day when you did a great job. You feel happy even if you are tired. This reward effect, a state of mind called motivation, is great, but it is impossible to be kept all time. It will only last some time, so you can't really rely on it. This mechanism is actually one of the most important human mechanisms that might work for you or against you. As you know by now, motivation is overestimated, and it's rather reward state of mind which will be supportive if you will use it that way. Whenever you will win, give yourself that reward. It might be anything, whatever makes you happy, like sweets, watching a favorite program, or a healthy one like sport. That's why some people are saying that they are addicted from sport. From now on, you should see it as something that will support you rather than foundation of your self-development. All I'm talking about here comes just from experience. I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing my experience with you. Let's talk a little bit about talent. Natural aptitude or skill. The common explanation of many people are people not doing things they would like to start do is that they don't have a certain talent or predispositions. Well, let's be honest, if you want to be an NBA player, having a 1700 centimeters might be difficult, but it isn't impossible. And vice versa, having a predispositions to do something means nothing if you will not actually start doing it. You can have the best physical predispositions, best equipment and all that, but if you will not do the hard work, it all doesn't matter. That's why hard work will always win with the talent. See, during the years, I have tried to put myself in extreme situations. Like I decided to not drink alcohol for 2 years after my 18th birthday. I work out on gym every day, sometimes twice a day. By the way, it was a time when I tried to become a professional bodybuilder. I was running long distances and all that, and I failed. I just gave up and I quit. I tried to achieve it all quick, being motivated by watching videos and reading posts. I didn't have any understanding for the process. I looked short term. I didn't realize lots of things, like for example, the rest is as much important as hard work. I began to feel burnt and tired and I quit. Well, maybe it wasn't something I really wanted to do, but Also, I was looking short term and I tried to achieve everything quick, just following the rules blindly without understanding for the process. You can be the most talented person in the world, but without effort, it all doesn't matter. Hard work will always win with the talent. In my opinion, looking at the things, the long term, rather than trying to change everything within a moment, will be more beneficial. People are overestimating what they can do within a year and not appreciating what they can achieve within 10 years. To become good at something, it will take lots of time and struggle, and might not be easy, especially if you're trying to change yourself. You need to be aware of potential failure, but whenever that happens, just start again. It won't be easy, but whatever is easy usually isn't worth much. If you're really trying to change life, achieve your goals and be happy, it will take a time and effort. Rushing means doing things slowly but all the time. In my case, I usually become inspired by someone or something within a moment. I'm deciding to change everything immediately. The next few days I'm pushing myself to keep those promises. After that, I was feeling tired, totally demotivated, and everything becomes hard. I didn't. What I supposed to do instead? Now looking from the time, I should rather create good habits, something that you're doing all the time, every day, without even thinking about it, like brushing your teeth. All habits, those good and bad, needs at least 30 days to be formed, which means you need to do something for 30 days until you will start doing it automatically without even thinking about it. Yes, it will take a time, but from my experience will be better than trying to change everything at once. So start with one thing and try to make it to be your habit, one by one, month after month, and this way you will slowly change whatever you're trying to change. It's better to do one step forward than 10 steps forwards and 9 back. It's just less effort. What you need to realize is that you don't need a talent or be motivated to become who you want to become and achieve your goals. It's all about hard work, slowly, all the time, trying things, seeing if they are working or not, adjusting them, or starting completely from the beginning if you need, and doing this all the time without break. This way, all good things you will try to achieve become your lifestyle rather than sad duty, required motivation, or a strong will. And the side effect of all that, at least for me, is happiness. I don't know if all that will be useful for you, or maybe you know already about it. I'm just sharing my experience, and I'm also having a fun creating those videos. Thank you for being here. Enjoy your life. See you in the next one. Finally. That's the third day I'm trying to shoot this. I can't even think how many times I did try to say that fluently without a mistake. And yeah, finally I did it. Thank you.
Yeah. No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock it. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown.